If you are a struggling trader, it means you found the right space. If you felt the pain of trading losses, the frustration of inconsistency, I'm about to unveil a potential solution that could change everything for you. Welcome to a video that's not just about trading. It's about your journey, your growth, and your success. Now, I understand the challenges you faced, and I'm here to offer you a lifeline. A lifeline called the SPY 155 strategy. Why should you stay here on this video? Because your trading journey matters, and by the end of this video, you're going to be equipped with a powerful strategy that has the potential, just like it did today, to turn your $250 trade into a $500 trade, your $500 trade into $1,000, $1,000 into $2,000, or whatever the capital that you trade with. And it happened in just 20 minutes of trading. Now here's a twist. This isn't just theory. This is a real world example of how this strategy could have transformed your trading experience today on Lotto Friday. It's not just about the money, it's about the confidence. It's about the consistency and the success that you've been seeking. Now, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Stay tuned. Your struggles can turn into triumphs, and together I'm going to show you how. So let's embark on this journey. Let's get started. Let's show you guys exactly how this strategy works. So the first thing you're going to want to do is be on the SPY 15-minute chart. And what we're doing here is looking for a 15-minute reversal into the direction of time frame continuity. That's this right here. Now, the more you have, the better, but I only need these two for me to take a trade. Obviously, the more you have, the more probability that this trade works out. But let's look at this first candle. So we had a 2 down that finished red. We had a opening candle. We opened right here, and I'm just going to change that to blue. You guys can or cannot put this on. It doesn't matter. But it shows you everything above that blue line, the day is going to be green. Everything below that blue line, the day is going to be red. So as we go to the next 15-minute candle, what we're looking for is a 2-2 reversal into this time frame continuity. So the next candle opens, we get a 2 down that finished green. Now we're all red. But there is no reversal if this continues to trend down. It's just going to be a 2-2 continuation. I need a reversal. So the next candle, another 2 down red. So I already know that the next candle is going to be a 2 up. But what you can do now is you set your triggers at the break of this, and then your targets go to the tops of the preceding wicks. And then if there is a gap like you see here, your next target is to the bottom of the preceding wick to fill that gap. And then the bottom, and then the bottom, and then there would be essentially another one here, but we go to the top once those gaps are filled. So now that we've got the triggers and targets set on the 15, now we're going to hop down to the 5-minute chart, because that is where I manage all of my trades from. So we are going to wait for a break across that yellow trigger line that we set on the 15-minute bar. And if that triggers, I know we're going to be 2 up on the day, because I've put my blue line in there already for where my trigger point is. So now what we're doing is we are just waiting for this candle to trigger across that yellow line. If it doesn't happen, then there is no trade. But once that happens, that's our opportunity to get into this trade. So we look here, we click ahead to the next 5-minute bar, we have the inside bar. So we're not marking any lines. And what this is, guys, is this is organic trading. We don't have anything on here except for what the candlesticks have told us what is going to happen. It's organic. It's very natural. We don't need any other indicators except for what we have on our chart. And this is, in its basic, simplest form, the strat. And I've been saying recently, this is the strat vantage. You want an advantage? This is it. It's the strat. The strat vantage, trading organically. And we look for that break. So as we go up, we trend down, and then we move to the upside. So we broke to the downside, and then we trended up. We broke that trigger, and now we just wait for it to hit targets. The one thing that we need to add on here is the stop loss. So I'm going to change that to red. Now, this stop loss here is quite a distance off of this bar, so I'm not using that. Where I would move that stop loss to is this body here, and there's multiple spots. It depends on the risk management of the trader, but we can use that, or we just use the trigger, okay? That yellow original trigger, that becomes our stop loss for a break even or a very, very small loss. So now we stay on the 5 minute and we manage this. So the next candle, there we go up. So what happens to our stop loss? To the bottom of the 5. Now, you don't have to keep it there. You can move it up to this target to make sure you're leaving with more profit. This target to make sure you're leaving with more profit. But we'll leave it at the bottom of the candle. So now we go to the next one. There's the next one, okay? Move your target or your stop loss. And again, you can put the stop loss there. You can put it there. You can say, well, we reversed through that target there, so that's where we're putting it. There's multiple different spots you can put it, but let's go to the next candle. There it is. So what do? We move our stop loss up. And if at any point we come through that stop loss, that red candle, that's going to be where you get out of the trade. Or if we come back through a target, that's going to be where you get out of the trade. Multiple different spots. So we go to the next one. Okay, we're still in this trade. Move your stop loss. Okay, next one. Move your stop loss. This is all we're doing. This is how simple it is. This is the simplicity of this strategy. It's very organic. You're not going to find anything like it anywhere else that is this simple, and there it is. We go through that next candle. It comes through. You're out of this trade. This wasn't a full 5 minute bar, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and out. Okay, 25 minutes. You doubled your cash in 25 minutes. That's it. You had a $100 trade. You left the trade with $200. You had a $500 trade. You left the trade with $1,000. Okay, this is a diamond in the rough. You're not going to find this anywhere else. You won't find this strategy anywhere else. This simplistic. Hey, the one rule I've got, well, not the one rule. The one rule I've got is I need this hourly and the daily to trade in the same time frame. The other thing I need, we're going to switch back to the day real quick. These two candles here are inside bar candles. Okay, there we go. They did not break the high. They did not break the low of this candle. This one right here didn't break the high or the low. If SPY is trading on an inside day, I do not trade it. Okay, I need to wait for it to break either the previous day's range on the low end or the high end. So on this example, we broke the low end here and then we trended back up. There were multiple other trades you could have taken on today, but you only needed that first one. You only needed the first one. You doubled your cash in 25 minutes. Doubled it. Done for the day. Some of you can be done for next week based off of that trade. I know I could. So this is it, guys. It doesn't get any more simple than this. If you have questions, leave them down below. Make sure you're subscribed for more videos. Give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter. I have a free Discord. You guys can join there and learn everything you need to know about this stuff. So check that all out. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a great month. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.